Hello, Sasyakal, Namaste, how are you? Hope you all are fine. And today's our topic is break statement and continuous statement in Java. So, moving forward, today we will discuss this continue and break statement. Okay, break and continue in Java. Okay, so today we will discuss this break statement in Java. So what does break statement do and what does continue statement do? First of all, we initialize the for loop for understanding the break statement. I is less than 10. We will print 10 numbers. Okay. So we will printing the numbers. Okay. So if there will be the I is less than is equal to 4, then you have to out loop and okay, here we have to out loop stars. So here you have the break statement. So first we initialize the for loop and run these numbers. I is equals to 0, then I is less than 10. We have to print this 10 numbers. If I is equals to 4, then this loop will be end because there is a break statement. If there is presenting the break statement, the loop will be break it. Means if the break statement is occurred in any loop, the whole loop will be the breakout and the another piece of code will be run. So outside it, I will be printing outside the loop. So basically the break statement is for breaking something, for breaking of for loops or anything. If it occurs, the whole loop will be break at there and it will be printing outside the loop. You can see that. Okay, outside this is if statement we have to run, it will be print 1 2 3 and 4, not the above, because there will be the ending of the loop. Okay, see this, I had to minimize it and then run it. Okay, you can see that loop starts. This is deadline outside the loop. This is deadline outside the loop. Then for loop it starts. I is equals to 0. 0 is less than 10. 0 is printed. So then I plus plus I is equals to 1. 1 is less than 10, obviously. So 1 is printed, 2, then 2 is printed, then 3 is printed, then here is 4. If I is equals to 4, 4 is less than 10, then I will be printed. This is 4 will be printed. Then if statement works, if I is equals to 4, yes, I is equals to 4, then system dot out dot println works, loop ends, this will be printed. You can be and print anything inside that then here is a break, it occurs, the whole loop will be terminated. The whole loop will be terminated. Let's see. Yes, the whole loop will be terminated. No 5, no 6, no 7, no 8, no 9, no 10. You can see that the whole loop will be terminated by the break statement. So now we have to continue the continue statement. Wow, what a rhyme. Okay, here's the for loop again, and I is equals to 0, then I is less than 10, then it's easy number, then I plus plus. Okay, we print the I, then we had to if I is equals to 2, then there will be the continue. Okay, what will be the output? Guess, you have to guess and answer it in the comment section. What will be the output of these 4 lines? You have to answer it in the comment section. So basically here for loop initialized I is equals to 0, and then the number will be printed by this statement. Then if I is equals to 2, then continue. What did the continue do? Continue do the iteration work. Continue do the iteration work. If continue occurs, that iteration will not be printed. It will continue the new iteration, like south. I will printed number here. I do not print here. Okay, go there. Okay, here what should be output? So if they here 1 2 2 not 2 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, these will be the output. Let's see, because here is a continuous statement. If I is equals to 0, 0 is less than 10, 0 will be printed, then 1 will be, so I is equals to not 0, then this statement works, then I will be printed, means 0 will be printed, then 1 will be printed, then 2 is equals to 2. So that's why this continuous statement will be works. And continue, what should continue statement do? This do the iteration. This will continue the new iteration. They do not allow to complete this process. It will continue to new iteration. To continue new iteration, this will be 3, then 3 is less than 10. Okay, fine, then the 3 is equals to not 2, so this will be not be printed, then 3 will be printed. This statement works. Okay, here we have to see is it right or not. Let's see. Yes, it's right. See, 0 will be printed, 1 will be printed, valid, then 2 will not be printed because here is the 2 is equal to 2 for loop iteration. Because of this continue, 2 will not be printed. Okay, then 3 is less than 10. Okay, 3 is not is equals to 2, so that's why continue statement is not works. So 3 is printed, like 4, 5, 6 and 9, 8 and 9. We will miss out 2 because of this continue statement. It will iterate and go through for loop again and start it again. Okay, that's whole break statement and continue statement. Hope you all understand well. And this is the indentation. This is spaces or the indentation. What is indentation? Indentations are this inside the for loop. This is the indentations. It's spaces. These are called the indentation. If we have to write this there will be the error, indentation error. What you have to indent, you will have to indent. Okay, so you hope you all understand that break and continue statement. So meet you soon. Allah Hafiz, take care.